Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Cash App tutorial. Complete guide to all features and account setup. So unlock financial freedom at your fingertips with your comprehensive guide to Cash App. So now, uh, first is getting started. Creating your Cash App account. So download and sign up. The basic one, just download it and sign up. Then verify your identity. You need to enter the email or phone number. Then to confirm with your secure code sent to you. Then link your card security. Add your Visa, Mastercard, or Discover debit card details to enable transaction. And personalize your profile. Provide your legal name, date of birth, zip code, and create a unique hashtag username. Set your security. Create your secure PIN to protect your account and or your financial activity. Now, adding money to your Cash App balance. Access Money tab, tap the Money tab represented by a house icon at the bottom left of your Cash App screen. Then initiate Add Money. Then after doing that, is present the amount or manually enter the custom amount you wish to add. Then confirm the transaction and then web options available. Alternative, add money via the web at cashapp.app/account under the money section. Sending and receiving money made simple. Enter amount, choose action, select pay to send payment or request to ask funds from someone. Identify recipients, enter the recipient's email, phone number, or unique hashtag. Then add memo if you want. Short memo, just add if you want. And then instant confirm the details to complete the transaction instantly and securely. And withdrawing money to your bank account. Access Money tab. So the Money tab at the bottom left of your Cash App screen. Um, then initiate withdraw. Select withdraw and specify the amount you wish to transfer to your linked bank account. Choose speed, then to standard transfers, usually 1 to 3 business days or business days, no fee, or instant transfer immediately with a small fee apply. And secure confirmation, confirm the withdrawal using your PIN or biometric to finalize the process securely. Meet the cash card, your free Visa debit card. So order and customize, personalize and order your free Cash App card directly from the card tab within the app. Spend anywhere and an exclusive boost. Enjoy weekly personalized cashback and boost and receive real-time purchase alerts and instant access. Access your debit details instantly for online shoppings or mobile wallet use while awaiting your physical card. Link and manage bank account. Access profile, then link banks. Select the link banks and then manage account. Add a replace bank account or debit card at any time during your financial setup and seamless transfer and then secure management. And then here is investing with Cash App stocks and Bitcoin. Stocks trading, buy and sell fractions, share of your favorite stocks with as little as $1. Completely commission free. Bitcoin investing, easily trade Bitcoin within the app, benefiting from real-time pricing and secure transaction, portfolio tracking, monitoring your investment portfolio, and stay informed on market trends, all within one integrated platform. Financial growth, grow your money, diversify your assets while conveniently managing your everyday payments. Creating a Cash App business account. Switch to business from your personal profile. Select the option to create a business account. Verify a badge. Verify your business information to receive a distinct green business badge on your profile. Dedicated hashtags. Utilize a separate hashtag specifically for all business transactions to maintain clear financial records. Processing fees. Note that business payments require a processing fee of 2.6% of 0.15 per transaction. Your Cash App turn starts now. So Cash App employs you to manage your money with ease, security, and speed. Join over 57 million users who trust Cash App, sending, spending, saving, and investing. It's time to unlock a world of financial possibilities. So if you want, you can visit Cash App, just cash that app to get started or learn much more. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.